Welcome to the Biweekly Paycheck Budget Planner tutorial. This workbook is designed to help you plan every paycheck, organize bills, track spending, build savings, reduce debt, and review your financial progress in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Before entering any data, save your own working copy. In Google Sheets, open the Access link and choose File, then make a copy. In Excel, open the included workbook and use Save As to create a personal copy. Keep one untouched backup in case you want to restore formulas or formatting later. Begin on the Start Here tab. Use this page as your navigation map. The recommended workflow is simple. Complete setup first. Plan each paycheck, record transactions, then review the weekly, monthly, cash flow, and annual dashboards. Dashboard pages are for review. Enter or correct information in the source sheets instead of typing over dashboard totals. Next, open the Setup tab. Enter the budget year, starting month, and first pay date. Confirm your biweekly pay schedule, then review the category lists, account names, recurring bills, savings goals, and debt names. Use consistent wording everywhere. For example, use the same account name and the same category spelling in every sheet. Consistent labels allow the formulas, charts, and summaries to group information correctly. Now open the Paycheck Planner. Use the sheet every time a paycheck arrives or before the next pay period begins. Confirm the pay date and enter the expected paycheck amount. Add any side income received during the same period. Then assign money to bills, savings, debt payments, and flexible spending. Start with fixed obligations such as rent, mortgage, utilities, insurance, phone, internet, and subscriptions. Next, assign transfers to emergency savings, sinking funds, or other goals. Add minimum debt payments and any extra payoff amount. Finally, plan flexible categories such as groceries, gasoline, dining, household purchases, and personal spending. Watch the remaining balance as you enter each amount. The goal is to give every dollar a clear job without creating a negative plan. Open the bill calendar to review paycheck dates and bill due dates together. This view helps you see which week carries the most pressure. Move the cursor across each week and compare expected income with scheduled bills. When a week shows a shortfall, return to the Paycheck Planner. Adjust flexible spending, move a savings transfer, or change the timing of a non-essential payment. Do not type over calculated totals in the calendar. Use the transaction sheet for real activity that was not already covered by your planned recurring items. Enter one transaction per row. Add the date, description, category, transaction type, amount, and account. Use this area for one-time spending, side income, transfers, refunds, adjustments, and unexpected expenses. When the workbook includes a recurring indicator, mark repeat items consistently. Accurate transaction rows are essential because dashboard totals depend on the information entered here. Next, review the weekly budget dashboard. This page summarizes